Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gabriel the Plumber. Today's video, we are going to repair a water main inside the house. ¿Ya cerraste?
Ya, voy a empezar a cortar.
There is a small leak right over here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Listo.
Sácame de una vez. Papel.
¿Vas a ti?
Desarmador, aquí está.
¿Ya apretó bien?
Pues ya, parece que ya.
Listo. Entonces, antes de cualquier cosa, voy a abrir la main arriba afuera, ¿no?
Sí, pero necesito apretar este.
Ok.
Voy a darle otra apretada, mira.
Sí.
Mira.
Se ve muy bien.
No, estoy aflojando. Yo creo que ya.
Okay. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. Cut the pipe. That's the meter.
A ver si no. Yo sentí que algo se me... Pásame las grises.
Alright, party people, so we are all done. Let me go ahead and show you the results for the main repair. So let me go ahead and explain a little bit of what we did. We have a 1-inch galvanized pipe. Of course, from galvanized to copper, we have to put a brass 90. Come down, 1-inch pipe, copper. We put a boiler spigot. We added a shut off. We left that shut off in there because it looks like that's part of the water meter. So we just left it in there. It looks in good shape. We added another shut off there. So the customer has 2 new shut offs. One there and one here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and the most important thing, subscribe to the channel. If you guys need any help with your sewer, drain, or plumbing, give us a call. We are based in Skokie, Illinois. We service the north side of Chicago all the way to Gurnee, Illinois.